The newly elected mayor of Pine Ridge, South Dakota, Richard Shangreaux, took a moment to speak with Buffalo's Fire about his priorities while in office.
But that process was just put my name in and advertised myself a little bit and surprised the heck out of me when they voted me in. Well, my platform was to clean the village and the creek that runs through the village. Just basically clean up. We are in dire need of jobs. There's a lot of people here that are capable of doing things, but there isn't anything for them to do. Cleaning up the village and that kind of, and cleaning up the streets is going to create quite a few jobs. And after that, and as I go along, I'll come up with other ideas to keep people working.
Wolf Creek runs through Pine Ridge. As a boy, the future mayor spent a lot of time along its banks. His vision is to repair the environmental damage and restore Wolf Creek to its former glory.
I used to go down to the fishing pole and catch carp. And when I would catch 3 or 4, because they were huge, 16, 17 inches, 20 inches in length, and I'd bring them up and I'd feed our cats. Sometimes I'd just go down and walk around, just to be down there. There were berries down there, choke cherries, buffalo berries, the raspberries, and I used to eat those, I came home one day and my mouth was kind of black on the inside. My mom almost panicked. Our mom almost panicked. What have you been eating? So I told her, and she was okay. For lack of a better word, it's been plugged up for years and years. And eventually it's going to get stagnant. And the mosquitoes are already down there, and they do come up into the village. And mosquitoes carry malaria. And I do not want to have the village have a malaria pandemic or epidemic. I'd rather clean it up so that it flows the way it flowed when I was a young boy, with fish in it. I used to be able to fish and catch them. We went down to a thing at the powwow grounds, and we did some talking, and I told him that what my biggest plan was, and that's to clean the place up, and that's going to be quite a chore, a real big chore. Hopefully we can plant grass and get mowers and make the place look good.
For Buffalo's Fire, this is Dan Bigby reporting from Pine Ridge, South Dakota.